Okay, so I thought I'd make a short video on adding algebraic fractions. Now, what we have to do is, to add an algebraic fraction, we have to make the denominators the same. You can see this has got x in it, this has got y in it. Therefore, the common denominator is x multiplied by y. So here, how do we change an x into an xy? We times by y. So that means we have to multiply this by y. So 3 times y, 3y. How do we change a y into an xy? We multiply by x. So this is going to give us, so the 5 is multiplied by x. So our final answer is, in this case, is going to be 3y plus 5x all over xy. To extend us further, what is the common denominator here? It's x times x plus 2. So, how do we change a x into an x times x plus 2? We times by x plus 2. So we end up with 3 x plus 2. 3 times x plus 2. Likewise, here, how do we change an x plus 2 into an x times x plus 2? We multiply by x. So we end up with p times x, px. Now what we do is we leave the denominator in its factorised form, but we multiply out the numerators. So this is going to give us, so when I multiply these out, 3x plus 6 plus px all over x brackets x plus 2. Okay, this is a little bit more complicated, but it's still along the same lines. What's the common denominator? X plus 3 multiplied by x minus 7. And what I like to do on one like this, I like to write the denominator as a single common denominator. Okay, so what do we multiply this to get this common denominator? We multiply by x minus 7. Okay, let's not forget this 2 is a negative. See, it's a negative. What do we multiply x minus 7 to get x plus 3 times x minus 7? X plus 3. Okay, so now we multiply out the numerators, so that's going to give us 5x minus 35, 5x minus 35, minus 2x, minus 6. Okay, and then what we ultimately need to do is we need to collect the like terms. So we've got 5x minus 2x, that's going to give us 3x, and we've got minus 35 minus 6. That's going to give us negative 41 when we collect the like terms, and this is all over x plus 3, x minus 7. Okay, that would be our final answer. Thank you.